Power electronics. Good morning to all. Astable multivibrator using timer 555 IC. That circuit consists of flip-flop and comparator 2, 1 and 2 and transistor Q1 resistance, same resistance R1, 3 R1 resistance, RA and RB resistance, and capacitor. Capacitor used for triggering and charges the circuit. Transistor consists of on and off state. Flip-flop using for change the state. Output stage of that V0. Supply is plus VCC, that is circuit data shown in figure. Astable multivibrator using timer 555 IC. 3 equal resistance R1. Establish the reference voltages V1 and V2 for comparators 1 and 2. That is V1 is equal to 2 VCC divided by 3 and V2 is equal to VCC divided by 3. Resistance R and capacitance C are connected external to the chip. Period to the application of trigger voltage Vt, the SR latch is reset with Q is equal to V0 and Q bar is equal to V of 1. Q is equal to V of 0 and Q bar is equal to V of 1. This gives V0 is equal to 0 is equal to V0 and cause Q1 to saturate transistor. That is Q1 is transistor. Matching Vs approximately equal to 0. Vx approximately 0 since Vx less than V1. The output of comparator 1 is V0. The output of comparator Z is also V0 as Vt is greater than V2 at t is equal to 0, Vt less than V2 causes the output of comparator to be V of 1, thus setting the latch. Hence Q is equal to V of 1 and Q bar is equal to V0. Make V0 is equal to V0 1 and turn off Q1. Q bar is V0. The capacitor C charges towards VCC with a time constant RC when Vx reaches V1 at t is equal to small t is equal to capital T1. Comparator 1 switches and its output becomes V of 1. So the output V of 0 returns to the original level V of 0. The low saturation resistance of Q1 and discharges C quickly. Pulse width T1 is determined by the time required for the capacitor voltage Vx change to V1. That is Vx equal to VCC minus bracket of VCC minus V0 bracket e power minus t by RC. Small t is equal to capital T1. Vx of capital T1 is equal to V1 is equal to 2 VCC divided by 3. Finally, we find V0 is equal to 0, T1 is equal to RC, ln 3 is equal to 1.1 RC. At t equal to 0, Vx equal to V1, causing comparator 1 to switch and making its output V1. This latch is now reset, thus saturation Q1 and discharging C through RB. At small t is equal to capital T1, waveform monostable. Threshold voltage V2 is equal to VCC divided by 3 and the output of comparator is equal to becomes V1 and sets the latch. Transistor Q is cut off and the C charges towards VCC through RA plus RB. V of 1, that is V equal to 1 at time T2. Vx equal to V1 causing a transistor in comparator 1 and thus completing a cycle. The pulse duration of given time capital T1 is equal to RBC ln 2. T2 minus T1 is equal to RAB plus RB whole bracket into C into ln 2. The period of the wave T2 and hence the frequency of oscillation is F is equal to 1 by T2. F is equal to 1 by T2. T2 is equal to RA plus RB C ln 2 plus T1. F is equal to 1 by 1 divided by RA plus RBC LN2 plus RBC LN2. Shown in notes. Astable multivibrator using timer 555 IC waveform shown in figure and shown in notes. That is 3 stages shown in figure. We obtain square format shown in figure. Astable multivibrator using 555 timer IC, the output waveform and capacitor output waveform, capacitor and output voltage waveform, that is shown in figure. In this figure, capacitor charges wave and discharges wave shown in figure. That is, capacitor goes to 1 by 3 VCC to 2 by 3 VCC. And output voltage of astable multivibrator shown in figure, that is T high and T low. Transistor high position and transistor low position. We obtain of square waveform, that is output voltage waveform shown in figure and shown in notes.